On this video today, I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to make $637 per day with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without investing any money, and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, we are using CPA Group because CPA Group is available worldwide. Wherever you are, you can create an account and then begin to promote offers on this platform. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to scroll down and then click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. The offers are based in countries, so what you have to do is that you have to find a specific country where you can get offers with higher payout. As you can see on your screen, all these offers, I have to promote them to people in the United Kingdom, but the payout is very low. You can see an offer like this, you are going to be earning 12 cents. So you are going to find a country where you can get offers with higher payout, so that anytime you promote them, you can be making a lot of money. So just scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you can select the country that you want. For example, you can see this is United Kingdom. When you click on it, you can search for any country that you want. CPA Group is available worldwide, so you can find offers in any country of your choice. You can see a lot of different countries. In this case, we are going to search for Canada, so type Canada here. Once you type Canada, you can see Canada. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Canada. You can see a whole lot of different offers. This offer right here, if you promote it, you are going to be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. The title of the offer is Get Your $500 Back to School Gift Card. That is the title of the offer. The requirement is pin submit, so your potential visitors have to verify their PayPal details so that they can stand the chance of winning $500 back to school gift card, and you are going to be paid $12.83. You can see it is allowed on desktop. And you can see right here, this is the Apple iOS version of the same offer. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you are going to click on the name of the offer. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Canada to click on this link and then enter their PayPal details so that you can be paid $12.83. That is the requirement. So now the next step is that we are going to begin promoting the offer. To promote the offer, we have to design images. We are also going to be building a website so that we can promote the offer to people who live in Canada. So the next step is that you have to come on Google and then search for Go Back to School gift cards. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select images, you can see a whole lot of different images that you can download and use them to promote the offer. You can see a whole lot of different images. Any of these images that you want, you can download it and then use it to promote the offer. In this case, I'm going to be using this image here, so click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see the image like this. You can see this is the size of the image. You can see 500 pixels by 375 pixels. So you are going to design an image of this size. So now once you have gotten your image, you are going to right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select Save Image As. Once you click on it, you are going to click on Save so that your image can be saved. Once you download your image, the next step is that you are going to come on Canva. Canva is a graphic designing website that you can use to design any graphic that you want. So you can create your accounts and then use it to create any design that you want. So once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to click right here, Create a Design. Once you click on it, select Custom Size. Once you click on it, you are going to enter the size of the image. You can see 500 pixels by 375. So you are going to come back and then enter the same size here, 500 pixels by 375. Once that is done, click on Create New Design. Once you click on Create New Design, you can see a new tab has opened. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, Upload, so that you can upload your image. Once you click on Upload, click on Upload Files. Once you click on it, select your image, click on Open. As you can see, this is the image. It is uploading, so you are going to wait for it to upload. It has finished uploading. Click on it so that it can appear right here. Once you click on it, you can see it has appeared right here. Once that is done, right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select Set Image as Background. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see that has been done. The next step is that you are going to get an image of the offer so that you can paste it right here. So you are going to come back on CPA Group. Once you come back, put your pointer on the upper image. Once you put your pointer on it, right click. Once you right click, select save image as. Once you click on that, click on save. As you can see, that has been done. Once you save the image, you are going to come back on Canva and then click right here, upload. Once you click on upload, select upload files. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. As you can see, the image is uploading. It has been uploaded. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it has appeared right here. What you have to do is that you have to drag it this way and then expand it. Just expand it so that it can cover this space. Expand it. As you can see, expand it. You can see that has been done. You have designed the image. Once you design an image like this, click right here, share. Once you click on share, you are going to select download. Once you click on download, make sure it is PNG file. Once that is done, click on download so that it can be downloaded onto your device. As you can see, it is downloading and it's going to be downloaded. Once you download the image, the next step is that you have to open a new tab and then search for Google site. Just search for Google site. Once you search for Google site, you're going to see a page like this. Click on the first website. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to create a new website so that we can use it to promote our affiliate link. So click right here, blank, so that you can create a new website. Once you click on blank, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to delete this portion. So just delete the header. Click right here to delete it. Once you delete it, the next step is that you're going to give a name to your website. So you can type something like back to school, something like this, back to school. Once you have the name of your website, the next step is that you are going to write a header here. To write a header, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type your heading here. In this case, you are going to type claim your $500 back to school gift card now, something like this. Once you type your heading, the next step is that you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight it, make it bold. Increase the font size, so just click on it and then select any font size that you want. In this case, we are going to select 18. Once you select that, the next step is that you are going to center it. To center the text, you are going to click on align. Once you click on that, select the third option here. As you can see, that has been done. The text is now at the center. Once you have your text at the center, the next step is that you are going to upload the image that you designed. So click here, images. Once you click on images, select upload. Once you click on that, you are going to select your image and then click on open. As you can see, this is the image. The next step is that you are going to increase it. So increase it and then bring it at the center. So once you have centered your image, the next step is that you are going to write a call to action here. To write a call to action, you are going to click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type a call to action. Click here to claim now, something like this. Click here to claim now. Once you have your call to action, just highlight it, make it bold, increase the font size. So just increase it to any font size that you want. In this case, I'm going to select 30. Once you increase the font size, you're going to highlight it and then center the text. Click on align. Once you click on it, select the third option. As you can see, that has been done. The text is now aligned. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you're going to insert your affiliate link in it. So you have to come back on CPA grip and then copy your unique affiliate link. So click here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back, highlight your call to action and then click on insert link icon. Once that is done, you're going to paste your affiliate link here and then click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. Your link has been inserted. Once you insert your link, the next step is that you are also going to insert your link in the image. So highlight the image. Once you highlight it, click on insert link icon and then paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to click on apply. Once you click on apply, the next step is that you're going to click here publish. Once you click on publish, the next step is that you are going to give your web address. So type any web address that you want. You can type something like back to school, something like this. You can see that web address is not available, so you are going to type any web address that is available. So let me add to. As you can see, that is available. Click here publish. Once you click on publish, you can see it has been published. Click here to view your landing page. Once you click on it, you can see this is your landing page. As I scroll down, you can see this is the landing page. So anytime people click on your call to action, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. And once they are able to enter their details, you are going to be paid $12.83. So now the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this landing page so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on your call to action and then enter their details for you to make money. To get free traffic to your landing page, what you have to do is that you have to search for True Sweepstakes. Once you search for it, you are going to click on their website. As you can see, their website has been opened. On this website, they give away free gift cards. As I scroll down, you can see many gift cards that people are giving away. Some are giving iPhones, others are giving cars, others are giving gift cards. You can see a lot of different things that people are giving away on this website. So what we have to do is that we have to create an account so that we can also give away the back to school gift card, so that the people who live in Canada can click on it and then take the action for us to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, you are going to click here, join. Once you click on join, you can enter your details and then create your free accounts. As you can see, you have to provide your name, your email address, your password, so that you can create a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to submit your landing page so that you can get people to click on it. To submit your landing page, click here, submit. Once you click on submit, you can see these are the rules. Price value must be at least $25. There must be no pages requirement to enter, no duplicate submission, no affiliate links. So you don't have to paste your direct affiliate link. What you have to do is that you have to build a landing page. Once you build the landing page, you can see when, then you have to add the rest. So here we are going to type the title, win a back to school gift card, something like this. Win a back to school gift card. As you can see, this is the gift card. Win $500 gift card. I think we have to enter the price to win $500 gift card. Let's go back and then add the price. Win a $500 back to school gift card. I think that is okay. So let's add $500. As you can see, that has been done. Win a $500 back to school gift card. I think this is okay. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to enter the link to the entering form. That is where you are going to paste the link to your landing page. So you have to come back on Google. Once you come back on Google, you are going to click on copy publish site link. Once you click on it, you get the link to your landing page. As you can see, this is your link. Click on copy. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you can see the price value. So you are going to enter $500, something like this, $500. I think that is okay. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to select the category. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any of these categories. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can select. As I scroll, you can see books, business and marketing, cars, cash and gift cards. So you are going to select that. Once you select that, the next step is that you are going to enter the end date. So we don't know when it will end, so let's enter at least 1 week. So let's enter up to 21st. Once we enter that, the next step is that you are going to select the country. So we are going to select Canada because it is allowed in Canada. So select Canada. Once you select the country, you can see exclusion. If you want to exclude any country or any place, you can enter it here, but we are not going to do that. Once that is done, you can see age limit. Click on it and then choose the appropriate age. So you want 13 plus. People from 13 and above can get access to the offer. Once that is done, you can see entry method, sweep, widget, gleam, sign up form, promo simple, kin, sumo, and the rest. As you can see, a whole lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, we are going to select sign up form. That is what they are supposed to do. They have to enter their PayPal details so that they can verify their PayPal. Once they verify it, they are going to get access to the offer. Once that is done, you can see entry limit. Click on it and then choose the entry limit. You can see daily entry, weekly entry, monthly entry. You are going to select single entry, or any of them that you want, you can select it. So single entry. Once that is done, you can see company name or website name, whatever that you want, you can type it here. In this case, I'm going to type my own name. So let me type my name right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to write a description of the offer. You can see a description. You have to write a brief description about the price. Just write a short description about the offer that you are promoting. In this case, I have my description, so I'm going to paste it for you to see. As you can see, this is my description. Get ready to tackle the new school year with our $500 back to school gift card. This versatile gift card is your ticket to a fresh start. Whether you need textbooks, school supplies, trendy outfits, and the rest. So just write a simple description like this and then paste it right here. Once you write your description, the next step is that you are going to upload an image of the price. So click on it and then upload the image that you designed. As you can see, this is the image. Click on it, click on open so that it can be uploaded. As you can see it here, this is the preview of the image. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see if you want to promote your offer, you can select any of these premium options. You can see newsletter subscribers, they have about 25,000 plus monthly page views. They have 240,000 plus. 96% of the traffic is coming from the United States. You can see they are giving you brief information about this website. So once you read it, if you like, what you have to do is that you have to make a payment so that your giveaway will be added to 25,000 plus subscribers. Once they send it to them, most of them are going to enter their details for you to make money. So all these people are not from Canada, so most of them are from the United States. But if you want, you can still make your payment so that they can filter it and then send to the subscribers who are from Canada. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see submit sweepstakes. Click on it so that you can submit your offer. Once you click on it, you can see we received your submission. Select a package to get huge traffic. So if you want any of these promotions, you can select it so that you can be getting a lot of traffic. In this case, we are going to be using the free traffic. Once we get the money, we can select any of these promotions. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.